Glorious Creations again, and I have a brand new product. I just got it today. I'm going to unbox it for you. I am so excited about it. Now, we're not resining with it today, but it's holographic glitter. And oh my goodness, I just can't wait. Excited about it. I don't know about you guys, but I love glitter. Now, I know that it says Let's Resin glitter powder in 15 colors. I'm not going to resin it. No, I might resin my color. I'm so excited. I wanted to share it with you. Let's check out these colors. Rose red. Ooh. Orange. They're holographic glitter. So that shimmer. Green. Brown. Even the brown looks kind of pretty. A different shade of red, so it's deeper. Let's see. Compared to the first one, yeah, look at the difference. This one's more of like a brick red. Okay. Purple. Light purple. Compared to the darker purple that we first had. Oh boy, these are going to be fun. Silver. Can never have too much silver. Blush, or pale pink. Silvery gray. See the difference? Lighter, darker. Sapphire blue. Pretty. Gold. I have gold. Green. Green. Sky blue. Ooh, it's almost kind of like an aqua-ish color. Let's see, what's that blue one that we had over compared to the sapphire blue? And then just regular blue. So, there's the blues. Those pretty blue. Take it back to number 4 on my pasta machine. Okay, so what I think I might do at some point in time is take a Sharpie marker and number each one of these, or write the name on the top, so that when I'm going through the box, I'm not having to pick them out and look through and figure out which color it is that I want to find, to try and save a little bit of time. Okay, but for today, what we're going to do is I'm going to take each color and I'm going to make like a little test strip with the colors. And these are in the same order that they were in the box that I just showed you. However, I went ahead and I opened them all. But do you see that beautiful glitter in there? Oh my goodness. I love glitter. I don't know. It can be a dangerous proposition sometimes to just love glitter. Let's see. Let's take a little bit of that out there. Put that on there. Oh boy. Look at that. It just melts. Rub it in there and it just melts right into that clay. And it's now smoother than the surface of the clay was when I started. So there's the red. And now we're going to do orange. Put in. Now we've got purple. Got a little bit more of that one on there. I think I might like purple. Here's the green again. So by doing this, my plan is I'll have an idea, a feeling for what it looks like, and I won't be going into it blind when I want to use a color. I'll know when I go to put it on a product, something that I'm planning to make, exactly what I'm getting. granted, these will be different on different colors. Oh, and look at it mixed with that green from the last little bit. See how it just doesn't even cover it? It just works right there beside it. So that shows you what it will look like if you're putting them side by side. Those are so cool. I got this off Amazon. This is not a sponsored product at all. This is all just me loving glitter. Come on now. Help me out, baby. Okay, so apparently the red wants to stay in the bottle. And again, I'm just rubbing it in gently. So when I first started working with polymer clay, I didn't have a lot of glitter. I had some glitter. And the first glitter that I used, I actually borrowed from my daughter. She was like, Mom, that's my glitter. I know. Can I just borrow a little bit of it? How much of it are you going to use? Not a lot, just a little. Okay. So, I guess it'll be turnaround's fair play. If she wants to borrow some of my glitter now, I'll have to let her. I can do that. All right. So silver. Ooh, that's pretty. Now we're on to blush, which is another word for pale pink. I was surprised that there was really only one pink in here. But I imagine if you combine these glitters together, you'd be able to make some interesting combinations. So you got a bowl and you dump some of this red and this pink together. Make it into an interesting pale hot pink-ish type combination. Alright, silver gray, which would be darker than this gray. A little bit too much on there. Look how pretty that is. You see all the different colors come out on that? I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I've got blues and greens and reds in there with that gray. It's not just one color, it's the whole rainbow. And they're all doing it, especially this gray. You can really see the other colors showing up. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Did I say that I love it? Because I love it. Anybody else out there love glitter? I know, there's also people out there that hate glitter. Blue, dark. Put a little too much on there, but that's okay. I'll just spread it out. Look at that. We'll just spread it over there. Now we have the sky blue. Difference. It's more aqua. It's brighter. It's prettier. But I'm an aqua person. So. Okay, 3 left. Green. Oops. Didn't mean to rub it off the side of the piece over there, but I kind of did. Gold. Pretty gold. Go. Some gold on there. And look how it just enhances. It's already there. Can you see that? All right, last one is the sapphire blue. Let's see. It's not good. Totally mutes out this pink there beside it, that's for sure. And yes, it's glitter. It makes a mess. And you can take a wet paper towel and wipe it up. That's what baby wipe. washcloth. You want to wash the washcloth to get it out. That was that option. Look at that. Now if I were going to fill, like I said, probably going to take a pen and just write. I could do it red, or I could just do an R or number 1. And I can do R. See? So then later, when they're in the box, I don't have to dig around and open them. I can just grab the color that I'm looking for. Little things like that make your life simpler. For now, I'm storing them in the box. I don't have anywhere else that I'm going to keep them because they fit in there so perfectly. Until I have a different container, might as well continue to use what I have. Cut some of these out. And if we want to make these into earrings, I need to do something with the back, right? Because that I have. So here's some silver leaf. Figured it was a nice neutralish color. Just gonna slide it on here. I'm not really worried about it being on here perfectly because these earrings are going to be cut up into different pieces, right? Cool thing about metal leaf, if you take it and just bend on it a little bit, whenever you apply pressure, it cracks. This cool cracker effect. There are so many things you can do with it. It's so versatile. Just playing today. You can even take your roller. I think the circle cutter might be cool because you can find a spot where you like the colors, interesting arrangement of the colors, a good combination of them, and a little bit out frame. It looks like there we go. How about some of this blue and gold? A tiny bit. Yeah, maybe. But that makes the whole centerpiece all the way. That one gives a little bit of a combination of colors. Here we've got a mixture of 4 different colors. Again. Alright, so I just need to pick a spot. It's stuck. So take a silicone tool and gently push it out. Edge. Clean it up a little bit. These will have to be sanded just a little bit. Take them and hang them like this. Make a fun little necklace. Fun pair of earrings. So if you wanted to do a pair of earrings, get some of the coordinating colors. At least keep some of this purple and this red in there maybe. Can't go that way, but I can go this way. Slip in because I have the metal leaf on the back. The clay is not sticking to my glass tile, so it's not staying in place quite as well as it normally would, which is giving me less of clean cuts. Kind of fun, sparkly, and then here's the back. So like I said, you just take your blade and you go around the edges. And you gotta go really slow, really careful, especially because you have the metal leaf on the back. They're gonna be, see how it slides? Take your time. It'll definitely be eye-catching. Hello everybody, I'm back and these are out of the oven. They're baked. Look how beautiful those colors are. They just shine, change colors. I love them. I know I said that I wasn't going to make earrings today, that I was just going to make a little sample of what the different colors look like. But how can you resist when you've got glitter like this? Hi. Yeah, I hear you. Good morning to you too. Yeah. So while my pieces that you already saw me make were in the oven, of course I had to keep playing with the glitter. And I made some other pieces. And I used dark blue. And some scrap glue. And I wanted to see what it would look like. It's just, this is the same blue as this, but instead of being on white, it's on blue. It makes such a huge difference how the color is just so solid now because it's not on just the white. In this case, we have the white showing through. And I love these. I really think that they turned out amazing. So I cannot wait to play with this glitter on other colors, coordinating to the colors of the glitter, like I did with